Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Listen, it's Hot Wing Wednesday. Everybody's doing challenges. The long nail challenge. Oh my God, the Hot Wing 2x Spicy challenge with the, okay. So, 10 in 10 minutes. Oh, you see, I started the video and I forgot to get a timer. I forgot to get it. Ma, what? Can you do me a favor? Because I started my video. Guys, don't forget to tap, and tap again the like, share, and subscribe button and that notification bell. Ma, tell Steven to give you the phone to put it on the clock, the timer for me. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I was on my laptop, guys, looking at, current events, on the news. And what is this? I clicked on something. And, they're welcoming an actress into the 80s club. That means that they're turning 80 this year. And her name is Anne Margaret. She was born in the 60s, and she was in, I don't know if you guys know the movie Bye Bye Birdie. She starred in it in 1964. And I was just curious, Yeah, Bye Bye Birdie, Viva Las Vegas, opposite Elvis Presley. After providing herself as a serious actress, she earned Oscar nominations for her work in 1971, Carnal Knowledge, and 1975, Tommy. She celebrates her 80th birthday on April 28th. Today's the 28th, right? It sure is. So anyway, while I wait for the timer, my mother's still making wings. Guys, how are you doing today? Guys, I hope you guys are doing awesome and keeping your mind positive, because I'm doing awesome. I look awesome and I feel awesome. I feel good. I got this shirt my sister gave me. Let me show you. It's really nice. She cuts the top. I don't know why she does that, but she cuts, right? See? That's how she wears it. I just tucked it under my bra, clipped it with my bra, because I don't really like that too much. She got me more wings, but I'm going to put the wings. Yeah, don't worry about it. I'm only going to do 10 with this, and then the other wings I'm going to eat without, the spice. Guys, let's have fun with Big Bertha. Steven's doing the timer for me. Okay, I forgot to put it in the freezer, in the refrigerator, so it's hot. Let's not spill ya. Big Bertha! I only put half a cup of ice today, guys. Get cold, get cold, get cold. Because I already know how this 2x spicy sauce tastes. I did the noodle challenge. I did my own challenge that nobody followed me on, which was the jalapenos and the stuffed jalapeno peppers with shrimps and the sauce drenched in it. So I know how it tastes. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Steve! Did you do the timer for me?
You had 3 minutes.
You did. No, I need 10.
I got the timer here.
No. Steven, start it again, and let me know when you started, because I gotta show my grands. He got it in the room, mommy. Yeah.
10 minutes, right?
Wait, but bring me the phone.
You should do it with mine.
Cause I don't know how to mess with your phone, and Steven's been home, so he got the work phone. She deep fried it. Oh my God, it's so. Oh my God. Look at them. Look at them.
Okay.
They're
Got it.
breaded. They're
Leave it
so
start.
good. All right.
Start. Press start.
Okay, it's on 10 minutes. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna press start. All right, look. Nice. See? All right. Leave it there. All right, let's do it. Okay, this is so spicy, guys. I'm telling you. Mmm. Mmm. I'm not trying to do better than anybody, guys. That's one. Mmm. I think I'm getting used to it. Notice I'm doing the drums. The drummers, ooh, first because they're big. Uh-oh. Ooh. That's three. Oh! Four. Oh! Ooh! Oh! Ooh! Spicy as hell, guys. I'm telling you. Oh my God. You get delirious. Ooh. Oh Lord. Guys, look at my tears. You see my tears coming out my face? Oh, oh Lord, help me, Jesus. How many was that?
Six.
Six. Seven, guys. Whoa! Oh, God. Oh, God. 7, 8 now, right? Oh. Oh, God. Oh,
Esa la tiene ahí tallita. Le echemos más.
Oh. 8, 9, 10.
Pero con lo que tiene ahí.
Oh, shit.
Put it.
Excuse me, guys. Oh.
Stop picking all over your face.
Oh, my God. Help me. Oh. Oh. I'm going to have to buy a new one because I'm done. Oh, champion. Ten. Man, what's the... Tell him the minutes. How many it turned off? Oh. Oh, God. How many minutes?
Got 2 minutes left.
Okay, so I did it in 8 minutes. I ate 10 wings in 8 minutes. 8 minutes, guys. Oh, God.
Estás pasándote ese pique en la cara.
She said, don't put the hot sauce on your face. Too late. All right, I'm still hungry, guys. So I got more wings here. Whoosh. Oh. This is insane. This is not for the weak-minded people. I'm crying. It's not for the weak-minded, guys. Excuse me, guys. Oh, I feel the heat in my ears and everything. All right, let me see if I could eat the rest because my mouth is gone. My mouth is burning. Oh! Oh my God. Because it's hot after. Oh my God, guys, this video is done. I ate 10. I ate 10 wings in 8 minutes, guys. Everything is burning. I don't even want to finish my other wings. Oh, ain't room for more. Ain't room for more, guys. Oh. I can't eat the rest. No, I can't do it. I can't eat it. My mouth is on fire. Guys, let me clean up my mess. I love you guys so much. Guys. Oh, God. Cuzzo, this is you. I saw your video this morning with your hot wings and Fanny doing it in I don't know how many minutes, but whatever. I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Guys, this is not for the weak-minded. This is not for the faint-hearted. I'm telling you. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for watching me to the end. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. Guys, don't forget to tap. And tap again the like, share, and subscribe button and that notification bell. It's fire that I can't even finish my other ones, guys. I love you. See you next time. Bye.